Now, I'll show you something more. Why is network marketing the next revolutionary industry? Why Paul Zen Pilzer said what he said about it that I discussed yesterday with you. Now, let's say on the second year, what we discussed earlier that we had a team of 750 people with us. Or when one Asha or
Yeah.
when one Geeta ji started working. And
Mhm.
as a single person, you were able to make a team of 750 under your belt. But now today you have 750 Ashas and 750 similar Geeta Jis like you. Let's say if they start working like you, that means every person will get in 750 people as well.
Mhm.
Yeah? Let's say
Mhm.
they are working half of you. That is,
Mhm.
the success rate goes from 0.25 to 125, half of it.
Okay.
So it will become 375. Means 750 people were able to get only 375 people per person, right? 750 into 375. That would be
Mhm.
281250. 281250. Just imagine if every person under you is making a purchase of 100 PVs. Your business is 281250. I'll write it.
Okay. So they should not do what we have spent. It is not like it is all up to them.
One minute. I didn't get your question, but let me write it, then I'll come to you.
Okay.
Yeah, this is 2 crore 81 lakh 25,000 PVs.
Mhm.
You know how much you'll be making this month? At least 90 lakh to 1.2 crore per month. And people in Vestige have already attained this level. Yeah, Geeta ji, you were asking something.
I was asking what we have spent. It is not like the other person has to spend whom we will explain about this process, about this business.
No,
Is it?
see what we did.
It is all up to
We,
them. Like minimum 100 PV, they have to do the shopping. Tell.
what we did, we started with 284. Why? So
Huh,
that we can go to 8%, isn't it?
huh, huh,
Obviously, we'll ask everyone to do this, but I'm saying,
huh,
but you are not going to spend 284 PV every month. You this was your first one.
huh.
After this, you'll be
First one.
purchasing for only 100 PVs,
Hmm,
right? So I'm
hmm,
saying that team was sum of all the people. So I'm saying if every person is making purchase, let's say are doing repurchases, you know, it's a
hmm,
lockdown. Let's say it's a lockdown, and no
hmm,
new team is coming under your belt, and you have almost
hmm,
only 28125 years. So they are making their repeat purchases every month, right?
hmm,
Obviously, we'll start with 8%. That is the basic. But this is I'm talking about the repurchase. So if everyone 281,250 people are making a repurchase of 100 PVs every month you'll be
hmm.
earning to 90 lakh to 1.2 crore. Got it?
Okay.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
this amount which you said you'll get, so this is
Mhm.
just for that month in two like in which month we have got this much of PVs.
See, this is, yeah, and every month people are purchasing for 100 PVs.
Huh.
I'm going to add you in my team today. I'll add you in my,
Uh-huh.
other groups. Because earlier
Uh-huh.
because I wanted you to have the basic knowledge of the business first.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Excuse me. So I'm saying in a normal scenario, suppose no new member, no new people are coming into your team, still you have
Mm-hmm.
this team, and still they'll
Mm-hmm.
every person will make a purchase of this, you know,
Mm-hmm.
100 PVs every month. So this is the basic
Mm-hmm.
income that you'll be earning every month. Today,
Okay.
if Siddharth Singh is earning over 1 crore per month, just imagine
Mm-hmm.
how much business is happening under his belt. Almost close to this or less than this or over this.
Mm-hmm.
And he's actually working, most of this team is from lower level, I'll say, or the village.
Mm-hmm.
People who are in corporate level,
Mm-hmm.
they are still untouched, very much untouched in Vestige. Why? I'll tell you why. Why we are doing this business this way. If you go in corporate world,
Mm-hmm.
they want to earn money, but they don't want to do MLM. Did we ever think why? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Why? And if they step into network marketing, they only say that I will take products, but won't be able to do it, isn't it?
Mhm.
Gitaji, Gitaji, you must have faced
Yes.
that, you know? Yeah. Why? What is the
Huh.
reason that people run away from network
Actually,
marketing in corporate? If you go to,
in
if have you,
corporate, like, huh,
I'll tell you. If
I'll tell
you go
you, I
to,
think,
yeah, you share your
huh,
experience. And I'll tell you. Yeah, you were sharing.
the thing is, like, in corporate, like, it is the salary is, if they're getting like 50,000, so they'll get only 50. So if
Mm-hmm.
they don't, they will not spend their more time into it because they are not getting anything. Anyways,
Mm-hmm.
like, they have some target, they have to achieve that much only. If they'll do
Mm-hmm.
anything else like more than their target, I don't think so. They'll get anything. Means, in six months they'll get a party or something like that. Nothing
Mm-hmm.
else.
Yeah,
So I think that's why, like, people in corporate don't want to do the MLM
MLM, right? I'll
because
tell you.
into this industry,
Mm-hmm. Into this industry.
into this one, yes, the people do it because as much as they'll do it, they'll get it.
Okay. Okay. Asha,
I
you
think
want to
so.
share something? No, you are quite right. I'll tell you
Acha.
because
Uh-huh.
I'm from the corporate world, so even I used to run
Okay.
away from network marketing, and I have seen people
Mm-hmm.
running away from network marketing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Asha, you
Mm-hmm.
want to share something? Asha, you want to say
Right
something? Yeah.
now,
Yeah.
uh,
You're
I
not
thought
audible to me.
maybe.
Yeah. You can you
Hello.
repeat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you repeat?
Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Um, I'm not quite sure why people would not want to do. Maybe because I think they have the money so they can spend it,
Mm-hmm.
but they really don't want to call up people and I don't know.
Quite
They
right.
want
Quite
to. I mean,
right. Quite right. Very right. In fact, I'll say very right. See,
yeah, because I'm from corporate.
yeah, so even all of us are from corporate background. The point
Mhm.
is,
Yeah.
everyone wants to earn money. Simple logic. If you're saying that people don't want to earn lakh, that is clear BS. They want to earn money. The thing is, when you see a networker coming to you and talking to you about business, automatically you see someone selling products to you,
Mhm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
This is the first thing that comes into your mind. And why? Because people don't know how to do network marketing. Network marketing is C2C, but it is also B2B. It is not only C2C. You are not making only customer to customer. You also talk about business to business. But most of the people don't do this. They prefer doing this. Now, suppose someone comes to you and says, there's a business, and just imagine if someone have come to you regarding network marketing, maybe someone from Amway in your past. So what exactly they have done to you? They came, they discussed that there are very nice products, you know, you use him, you can take it from me at 10-20% discount, I'll give you this, and this thing works like this. And when you see him doing that, you feel awful, awkward. Is he the same person? He's looking different today. And you
Mm-hmm.
see a salesman in that person, isn't it? Did
Yeah.
that ever happen to you? Especially with Amway people, Asha and Geetaji?
No. Oh no, I'm
Amway
not.
people, no, I have also purchased Amway products. Like
Hmm.
they are selling the things, and we are using
Exactly.
it because the products are good, nothing else. But we are not
Exactly.
getting any benefit out of that. Like they said, just try it out. So we purchased it once
Yeah.
or twice only, but we were
Exactly.
not continued with that.
Why? Because we didn't want to look like him. Just
Uh,
imagine yourself going to people's house,
hmm,
you know,
hmm,
and sitting there and telling them about the product. Won't you feel awful from inside?
Mm,
hmm,
That what exactly am I doing?
hmm.
Right? And that is what
yeah.
people have
Yes.
done. So just imagine that you are the manager in your office and you have a team of 50 people who work under you,
Hmm,
and they have that kind of fear that if sir comes, this will happen and that will happen. And tomorrow if you go and tell them, take this shampoo, take this soap, they'll laugh at you. I'm talking about the practical thing that we have seen. you know
actually.
what exactly are you doing? Come on, you're the manager. People look at you like you're an idol and you're selling these soaps and shampoo. And then that person feels awful. I won't be able to do it. So maximum what he'll do, if some person comes to him regarding the products, he will take the products, but he'll say, listen, I'll take the products, they are good, but I won't be able to do it. Why? Because
Hmm, hmm,
when he sees someone selling him shampoo, soaps, any product to him, it's like monkey see, monkey do. When we see someone doing
hmm,
something, we imagine ourselves doing the same,
hmm,
right? So if someone comes to you and sells the product to you, and if he asks you to do the same thing, so first thing that comes into your mind that even I have to do the same thing. I have to go to people, I have to give them products. And if I am
hmm,
feeling awful, awkward while doing it, other person may feel the same,
hmm,
right? So that's why people run away from network marketing. I've seen other companies as well. There's one very famous company, and people in that company, they are doing wonderful business. They are making crores as well, but they don't talk about the products, you know, and that is why
hmm,
people doing that business. It's making huge. It's a very big company in India. They are making. It's a Malaysian company making huge profit, but yes, way of working is different. So people from good background, who are already earning in lakhs in months, they are doing it. Why? Because they think that we are not here to sell products. So we
hmm,
can do the same thing. No? Just show them the business, and automatically they'll purchase the product. So if you see
hmm,
whatever we've discussed so far from the beginning, I never tried to sell you something. I always explain business part to you, and this is very much duplicable, and you won't feel that this is unprofessional, that you won't be able to do. So anyone can do this
hmm,
because we are not here
hmm,
selling products. That is why in corporate, if we talk about Vestige, lots and lots of people are still untouched because most of them who have used products earlier,
hmm,
they just took the products from someone who showed them the products. But no one ever showed them the business part properly. Don't go for the product, sell them the business idea, don't sell them the products. That is what I'm trying to explain. Okay. So
hmm,
corporate world is very much untouched. Everyone wants to earn money. Someone who's earning 50,000 or someone who's earning 1 lakh. 1 lakh is nothing today.
hmm.
1 lakh is nothing today. It's an average
Mhm.
income. If husband and wife are working, combinedly they are making more than 1 lakh in normal corporate. Husband is earning 70, 80, wife is earning 70, 80. It comes around 1.5 lakh very easily, isn't it? But yes,
Hmm.
a person who's earning 1.5 lakh, he wants to earn 10 lakh. It is not true that we think someone is satisfied with what he's getting. Earlier, when I started my career and when I was earning 15,000, and I felt 15,000 is enough. But when you stay there for a few months and you see other
Hmm.
people from your organization going to other organization earning almost like 25,000, then you feel,
Hmm.
no, I don't deserve this. I deserve this.
Hmm. Hmm.
And then you hunt for some other job. And when you start earning 25 lakh thousand per month, you're good for 1 or 2 months. Then you feel, I can get more. Then you start hunting for 50,000. And this way, the cycle begins. One who was earning 50,000, now he's looking for 1 lakh a month. And this keeps on happening, keeps on happening, keeps on. So if you're saying that someone is satisfied with 1 lakh per month, no, he's not. Because now he has new friends, new people who's around him who are already earning 2 lakh rupees. So mentally he thinks, he starts thinking that if he can earn 2 lakh, I can also earn 2 lakh. He's at the same profile, but he's at different organization. I should go to that organization as well. If he has done some course, I should do that course so that I can earn more, isn't it?
Mhm.
So people always want to earn more. That is the fact. Now, how exactly you are going to do it? I've already shown you the way. Don't discuss about the product, discuss about the booth. Simple logic, right?
Mhm.
So far, so good. Okay. So I'll tell you about the topics that we are supposed to cover. And first topic is, what is network marketing? What is
Network marketing.
MLM or network marketing? They both are same thing. And why shall we do network marketing? So I think I've covered this part with you, both of you, isn't it?
Mhm.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, for why you have to see that video on YouTube, please do go and watch it. Cover it. Okay.
Okay.
Because I explained it very well. So instead of repeating same thing again and again, I want you to see it so that we all at once you've seen it, I know that you've covered it. So you are clear with the concept. Then we'll cover the
Hmm.
mindset part. Okay. Then after mindset, we've already discussed about a business plan, but I've just covered half of it. So I'll cover a business plan as well uh, tomorrow or day after. From fourth is product training. I won't cover it. I'll give you the links because I won't be able to cover every product, and there are lots of videos on YouTube. So you can see
Mhm.
product training on YouTube. I'll give you the links, no doubt. Okay. Then fifth,
Mhm.
very important part, very important part is blueprint. How to reach in an average income of at least 1 lakh per month. This is the first priority that we are working on. Second, 6 point is money. This is very crucial topic for every businessman. Every businessman. I've already covered it. If you want to go, if you'll go on YouTube under the same ID, there are few more videos, so you'll be able to see money part as well. And seventh is difference between banking, insurance,
Sure.
and multi-level marketing. And once you are done with it, I'll tell you how to invite people professionally in the business. This is very crucial.
Mhm.
Okay. So I hope you both will see the video today, or
Yeah.
you have any. It's a 1 hour video, I believe, 1 hour, 2 minutes. So please,
Why
I'll
MLM?
expect, yeah,
This one, why MLM?
YMLM, yeah,
Okay.
okay. Tomorrow I'll
Mhm.
Hmm.
cover the mindset part with you, or I think I can cover the mindset part now as well. We have 20 minutes as well. So you guys have time, right? Or you have to do something.
Yes, yes. No, I have time.
Cool. Then tomorrow we'll cover the blueprint part. So now what I'm going to do, I'll cover the mindset part.
Mindset.
Yeah. Okay. So as we've discussed earlier, that there are four kind of people on planet Earth: employee class, small businessmen, big businessmen, and investor. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now these people, they are divided in four categories. This is the planet Earth: employee class, small businessmen, service sector, self-employed. They all come under S. B, big businessman, and I as investor. So my question is, what is the difference between small businessman and big business?
Small businessman and
Big businessman.
Big.
small and big.
Yes.
If the business in business they are getting more and like they are investing more, they are
Mhm.
expanding their business. That means they are big business, and the small one is into their own, like into that ground only, into that like into their field only. They
Okay.
they are not expanding themselves out.
Okay. So what do you mean by expansion?
Planet.
No, expansion,
Sorry,
expansion. What do you mean
expansion
by
means like
expansion? Yeah.
then again the other word will be expansion is network only.
Yeah,
Like
you are right.
they
You are
are
right. But
the
this is not the exact
uh,
definition. You said more. So where exactly you'll say this is less and this is more? What amount is less and which amount is more? Where exactly you'll say, this at
less
this amount
means
you're less,
they
at this amount you're more. Where exactly the border is? Where exactly
less
the
means
partition is? Yeah.
less means they have made their own boundaries. They don't go out of that, and the more one is like they are making like more and more means if a person is doing a business in Delhi only, he is not going
Mhm.
out of that. But the other person who is doing more, they have gone into till Kanyakumari even. Like all
Mhm.
the four part of the country is touched.
Okay. So suppose
That is.
if there's a person who has a hotel only in Delhi, one hotel in Delhi,
Hmm,
okay,
hmm,
and he is running it, and he has a management, very big management who's taking care of it. Let's
hmm,
say Oberoi, only Oberoi
hmm,
Hotel,
hmm,
which is
hmm,
Nizamuddin. You must have seen it, right?
hmm,
And
hmm,
just
hmm,
imagine a person has that only with that hotel. Is it into a big
hmm.
business or small business?
Having just one
One
in
hotel
Delhi.
in Oberoi's, the Oberoi's. Oberoi is like a pioneer of hotels in India.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes, it is.
So,
But if you're talking about it's only one hotel, then it's a like the he is in a
mhm.
less business, and the more one if he is including all the hotels of it.
No, I'm counting only one hotel, Oberoi. Just Oberoi
Acha,
Delhi.
One
so
going for,
So
I
is
guess
it
one
a
will go
small
into,
hotel?
yeah, I think a
Okay,
small business because if you have a chain of hotels,
huh.
then maybe it goes to a big one, big business.
okay. So the point is, it's a big business. Even you have one hotel.
Hmm.
Because it's an Oberoi.
No, it's just the one reason. It is
Because of the name of it,
no,
standard,
no. It
the
is
product.
system based.
Sorry?
System.
System
Okay.
based. Anything that is system based is big business. Anything that is person based
Oh,
is small business.
small
Simple
business.
logic. Yeah. Example, if you have a shop, huge shop, let's say you have a supermarket, but you have to sit at the counter, you have to look at everything that people are doing everything perfectly fine. It's it's a small business. Means if you take a leave of a day or two, you have to shut down the store. Then it's a small business. But if you have a shop, small shop, and you are not sitting at the shop, you're sitting at home, and you've designed the shop in such a way that every employees, they are doing online bills, making online bills, so they cannot, everything that is coming to this store, someone else is taking care of it. There's one proper manager who's taking care of purchase things. Then there are something, you know uh,
Systematically, it is
everything is
like
systematic here,
everything is on system. So
exactly, exactly.
like every time he has not to come over there and look after the things.
Every month
Very small
he
small.
just sees the
Huh.
what's balance sheet.
The
Then
earning
the
can say yes, earning. Huh.
Yeah,
Balance sheet.
simply he sees the financial statements and he can make out.
What he is
See,
getting. Yes.
लेस बिजनेस में सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत क्या होती है? मालिक देखता है एक एक चीज को, कि कोई नौकर ये तो नहीं खा रहा, या कोई एम्प्लॉय ही इज नॉट ईटिंग दैट थिंग, he is not taking something at home. These are very small things. Even in big organizations, since you have seen in hotels, employees खा लेते हैं खाना, है ना,
Hmm.
चुपके से उठा के कुछ
Hmm.
खा लिया या कुछ कर लिया, और
Hmm.
आप सोचते हो कि मालिक को नहीं पता, मालिक को पता होता है।
Hmm.
मालिक को सब पता होता है कि भाई बाहर से बॉटल्स कैसे कई बार बियर की कम हो जाती हैं, या
Hmm.
दिखा दिए कि भाई फूट गई बोतलें, उसमें हो गया, ये हो गया, चलता है ये। बिकॉज उनका आइडिया छोटे लेवल पे नहीं होता, उनका आइडिया बड़े लेवल।
Hmm.
उन्हें पता है यार,
Hmm.
अगर हजारों का नुकसान हो गया तो यही लोग मुझे लाखों कमा के भी दे रहे
Hmm.
हैं, है ना।
Hmm.
दिस इज व्हाट एवरी बिग बिजनेसमैन नोज। उसको पता है मैकडॉनल्ड्स खोला है तो उसके एम्प्लॉइज बर्गर खा जाएंगे, बट कितना खा लेंगे,
कितना
कितना
खा
खा
लेंगे?
लेंगे,
Yes, obviously.
है
Hmm.
ना। होटल,
Hmm.
उसने किचन खोली है, किचन मतलब फूड प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट में। कहते हैं होटल लाइन एक ऐसी लाइन है जहाँ पर भी भूखे नहीं मर सकते, भूखे नहीं मर सकते, यू वोंट डाई हंग्री। वेरी इजीली यू कैन स्नीक आउट फूड, वेरी इजीली। या तो कैफेटेरिया, और अगर आप किचन लाइन में हो तो यार उसकी स्मेल से ही आपका पेट भरा रहता है, आपको खाने का मन ही नहीं करता, इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन किचन।
Hmm.
Excuse me. So they know that there are some glitches in system, that is for sure, but their idea is big. So big business is that business where you are not involved in the business, but business is still happening for you. So that is big business. And I are investors, people who invest money in big
Hmm.
business and small business, and they make money from it. So if we talk about the population of these quadrants, they are almost 97% of planet Earth. Okay,
Hmm.
97% of planet Earth are employee and small businessmen, and businessmen and entrepreneurs, big businessmen, they are only
Yeah.
3%, remaining 3%. But the irony is, they control 96% of the planet Earth's health.
Hmm.
Just see, 3% of the people are 96, and 97% of the people have only 4% of the wealth. Excuse me. They're struggling for it.
Hmm.
So, my point is, do you agree with me on this or not? If you don't agree, I'll prove it to you. But first thing, do you agree with me on this part or not? Hello?
agree for what you just
How it
mentioned.
should be. Nahi, agreeing, but how it
Yeah.
is like.
97% of the people are struggling for wealth and only 3% have
हाँ
so much of, right?
हाँ हाँ, अमीर
And
अमीर
this,
ज्यादा अमीर बनता जा रहा है, गरीब और गरीब बनता जा रहा है. That
है
statement
ना?
is there ना.
Yeah,
हाँ.
yeah, yeah. And someone said that if you'll distribute, let's say you think that this is not the right thing, you distribute 25% to this person, give 25% to this person, 25% to this class,
Hmm.
25% to this class, and 25% to this class.
Hmm.
Again, after 2 years, same thing will happen. सारा पैसा यहाँ चला जाएगा और बचा हुआ यहाँ
Hmm.
रहेगा. This is the way things have been designed. Have you seen Cyber Hub in Gurgaon?
Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I'll give you a very wonderful example. Cyber Hub is a place where you see office. As soon as you come out of the office, you'll see big market, fast food center, pubs, bar, desks, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Now imagine
Mm-hmm.
a person gets a salary of 50,000 here. Okay. A person who's making him work here, he owns some pubs, some shops, some uh, bars, restaurant. He comes down in the break. He goes for the coffee here. On weekends, he goes to pubs and bars. With his girlfriend, he goes to restaurants, right? With his and after some time, he goes for shopping as well. So he spent 40% or 80% of his salary within here, this arena. Don't you haven't you seen it? Every
Mm-hmm.
Friday, Saturday evening, same people who are
Crowded.
working here, yeah, they are spending their money here. So 40% or say 40,000 of this salary comes to same owners, same big people. He's just left with
Hmm.
10,000, and within 10,000 he spends rent, all those things. I'm not sure. It can be rent. It depends on how much he's earning. But most of the portion goes to same corporate people who own these organizations, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
So today, what you are supposed to do, you have two things to do. After once you get free, today your homework is why MLM. This is what you have to
Mm-hmm.
see. The video that I've made. Why?
Yes.
And you have to study. This is your homework. This is more of a research for you of cash flow. You can write it down if you want, so that you don't face an issue in searching cash
What is
flow.
it? Cash.
Flow.
Cash flow.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is you have to see. This is a already I've made video on, so you have to see. After that,
Hmm.
you have to study and you have to give me your analysis on cash flow quadrant. You go and YouTube it. You'll see a lot of videos on it. Let's see what kind of thing you can make out, or what kind of learning you can reap out from this from YouTube. Can you do this?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Right. So this is your
Hmm.
homework for the day. Why MLM? First thing, this is your number one priority. You have to cover it, and let's see what
Hmm.
what personal learning is the best learning. What I'll tell you from from my perspective, that is more like a teacher. But when you see a neutral person on YouTube, you'll be neutral,
Hmm.
totally neutral.
Hmm.
Let's see what exactly you can get from these videos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Hmm.
So I'll keep the session for here till today.